Who's that one for?
For me.
No, that's
No. Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
No, give it to
Daddy.
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 Oh.
Daddy. It's Daddy's
That's
Well,
present.
you can open it for Daddy.
That's Daddy's
Do
present.
you want to open it for Daddy?
You put it over.
Okay, open it up.
Open it, Daddy.
Okay, you open it for
I
Daddy.
take it.
Oh, turn around, show Daddy though.
And take a blow. Turn around so Daddy can
Turn
see
around
you
so Daddy
open
can
his
see.
present.
Rip it open.
Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus.
Boom. Right on my elbow.
Yeah.
That quieted her down pretty quick.
What did Daddy get? What did you get, Daddy?
What did you buy Daddy?
What did you get, Daddy?
Show him. Look, Daddy, what did you get?
What did
Death
Mommy
race.
get me? I'm
Awesome.
telling you, I'll give you a quarter. It's a drill.
Let's see. What does it say? To Hannah from Santa again.
I hope it's a good movie.
It's supposed to be really good. I know. I was like,
I'm surprised you didn't buy Dark Knight.
I looked actually. I couldn't find it.
Is that
No?
my present?
Yeah.
Present. What is it? Ooh, Santa must have known you couldn't find all your little shirts.
Oh, that one's got lots of...
No, Hannah, we won't open it right now. We'll open it another day, okay?
Oh, you can shoot everybody.
Oh, he must have known you liked it so much, eh? Who's that one for?
Oh.
Who's that one for?
Open that.
Okay, well, let's see who's it for.
Nice.
Let me see. I don't know who's it for. To Daddy Love Hannah again.
Did you buy
Holy.
Daddy another present?
No,
Give it-
Daddy needs to open this one.
Daddy needs to open this one. That's Daddy's
We'll let
present.
Daddy open it later, okay? That's
Now. That. What? What?
Okay.
What?
who's that one?
As if we don't have enough toys with a billion pieces.
I thought she did.
Hannah.
To Hannah from Santa. Holy, that Santa must like you. You must be a good girl if he brings you all these.
Are you a good girl, Hannah?
Must be. Oh, letters.
Ooh, it's
Show
a
Grandpa.
Show Grandpa.
You have to turn it around.
Let's
What's
see.
that?
Bring it.
Oh, you can learn all your
Look at- yeah, we'll put it in
letters.
Look it. You can write your letters in here. You can see. D.
I'm leaving.
No, well, not right now. We'll do not
You
right
have to
now.
open all your presents.
Open up your presents first, Hannah.
But that's your Granny's house, too.
What?
You gotta dig right in.
Not yet.
I need to open that.
Let's see. Who's that one from?
Who's that for?
That's from Mommy. That's
For Hannah from Mommy.
Oh, open for me?
It's
Yeah,
for you.
for
Mommy
you.
bought that for
Open
you.
it for me.
I can open.
You can.
Uh-oh. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Open that present, will you? Try the end.
Try at the top.
The top part. The other side. This
On
side.
the side.
Right here.
Get the sticker, the bow off. Yeah, try there. Ah, you figured it out.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey. You are adorable. Go right to bed.
Oh yeah.
So G. I'll sleep with her.
It's deleting the paper.
He's a dummy.
Can you blame me?
At least she came and told you
What?
Santa.
You probably would have fallen asleep too.
No, I don't fall asleep with her.
She,
I'll
No?
just do them.
At least she came and told you Santa came and said sit here and open everything.
Well, I heard her get up and I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I
And then I
heard
hear the
it
little feet. Santa came, Santa came, Santa came.
too. That quieted
Help
her
a little
down.
bit.
She was all excited and then she was crying in like a space of about a third of a second.
I just tried to talk to her.
Oh!
Holy!
Yeah, it's like taking you
Mama
forever to
said,
open that present.
There's lots of tape because it's hardly on.
Yeah, that's
Rip it!
Mommy,
Rip
wanna
it!
put them around?
Rip it!
Oh
I'm not
my
sure how this is.
goodness!
Mommy knew
What
you
is
wanted
that?
a microphone. I don't know how.
Show Daddy the microphone.
Turn it.
Oh.
You can. The
Is that
number
is
one
that
girl.
is that like Sid the Science Kid's microphone?
Is it? Ooh, I didn't know he had a microphone. I haven't seen that one. Here. What else you got under there?
What else is under the tree? Is there more presents?
There's lots of presents.
Oh, a ton under there. You sure
That's
that's the latest?
for me.
Yeah?
See. Let
Let
Mommy
me
see.
see.
Let Mommy see.
You're right, it's from Santa too.
Holy! Santa brought you lots of presents.
Yeah.
Okay, rip it all open.
What's that? Princess. Who's a
Are you a
princess?
princess?
Ooh, what are those?
Princess
Here,
shoes.
those, show Daddy. Show Daddy.
Princess shoes.
I'm videoing it. So hurry up. You gotta open the presents quick.
Open some more presents.
Open them up. I'm gonna run out of video.
Yeah.
Oh, those ones are for Jack, I think. Way under there.
Under there, huh?
That's for me.
Let's see.
To
Mommy, read it.
Hannah from Santa. What is it?
Shake.
What is it? What does it sound like?
Hey.
Hey, what does it sound like?
Open from
Oh.
Daddy. Bye.
What is?
Hey, Hannah. Hannah, can you say Merry Christmas, everybody?
To the camera. Tell the camera, Merry Christmas.
Tell Daddy Merry Christmas, everybody. Wait till she's finished opening the present.
I'm gonna run out of video.
Say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Ooh, what is it? What is it?
Oh, it's a
A puzzle.
puzzle.
A Sesame Street Christmas puzzle.
Oh, goody.
Oh, there I know. Santa must have known you like
Whose is that big
Street,
present
eh?
right there? Huh? Whose is that?
Who's that one? Hannah from
Doesn't have a bow.
Santa. Geez, that Santa guy, he sure knows you. He likes you, right? Yeah, for sure. I thought she probably would.
Holy, what's that?
Yeah.
What is it?
He must have known how much you like Jack, see?
He must know that Hannah really liked Jack, so
Is
he
that
got
why
her
he
her
brought
own.
you that one? That one's for Daddy.
That's for Daddy.
You will for my daddy.
Okay, you open it.
You gotta guess what that
It's a hockey stick.
For that.
It's a pair of underwear.
is. Love Mommy.
Am I guessing right? How can I guess what it is?
Oh, please.
You always guess what it is. You, that one was a movie.
Well, that's pretty obvious.
You know what this one is?
No. I didn't want to spoil your surprise.
You know what it is?
No.
Can you guess?
No.
You think you know what it is? Mine.
No, I don't. Come on, Hannah, open up. Quick, rip it open.
Wow!
Ooh,
Fooled you.
Toffee. Daddy loves Toffee.
Mommy knows.
Thanks, Hannah.
Granny too.
Okay, Hannah, go open up. There's some more
just leave
presents
it.
there.
There's more in your stocking. You can look in your stocking and just put down. You don't eat those right now. Go. No,
That's Daddy. Give that to Daddy. Daddy will
See
open
what
it
else is under
after.
there. I don't know if there's any more presents under there for you.
I think there's another one. That one right there. Is that for Jack?
That's Jack's for Mommy and Daddy. Oh no, that's Jack's. Any other
If there's
presents?
any, they're under on the right here. No, that one's Jack.